Dear students, we have started the chapter Special Products and Factorization, and in the last video we had done some applications of this identity, that is a minus b whole square. So today's video is going to be about the same identity, that is applications of a minus b whole square with different type of question. So let's get started. But before starting our topic, we will recall the identity that we have discussed in the last video, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I'm going to repeat it. A minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Alright, so let's get started with our first example. So here, first of all, we will read the first example, that is expand 2x minus 5y whole square. So now again you can correlate this statement with this identity, that's a minus b whole square. So what will you do? You have to write on the right hand side, apply a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now from the statement you will see that what is the value of a? That is 2x. What is the value of b? That is 5y. Only 5y. Students, be careful about the sign. So you will not take this sign along with the value of b, because this is the sign for the formula. So you have to write only 5y, right? So here a is equals to 2x and b is equals to 5y. Now you have to apply this identity over here. A square means 2x square, plus means plus, b square means 5y square, minus means minus, 2 means 2, ab means a multiply b. So it will be 2x multiplied by 5y. Now you have to square this whole term, because here we are having 2 as well as x. So it will become a term. Term is a combination of numericals as well as the variables. So you have to square the 2. At the same time you have to square this x. So square of 2 is what? 4. And square of x is what? X square. So you got 4x square. Now plus means plus. 5 square means 25. Y square means y square. So you get plus 25y square. Minus means minus. 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 into 5, that is 20. X into y, that is xy. So you got the answer. 4x square plus 25y square minus 20xy. Right? So it was a very easy example, students. So now move to the next example. So here you can see the statement. So just read the statement. Expand x minus 1 upon x whole square. Right? So first of all, we have to write on the right hand side, apply a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what is the value of a? You have to see from the statement. You have written the statement here. So value of a is equals to x, value of b is equals to 1 upon x. Only 1 upon x, not minus. 1 upon x. So you have to apply this identity here. A square means x square. Plus means plus. B square means what? 1 upon x whole square. Minus means minus. 2 means 2. AB means a multiply b. That means x multiply 1 upon x. Now here's what is the square of x? That is x square. Right? Now plus means plus. Square of 1 is 1. And in the denominator x is there. Square of x is what? X square. So you got 1 upon x square. Minus means minus. So now here you can see that x multiply 1 upon x. Now students, you can cut these variables over here, because cutting is possible up and down and in a cross method. So here x and x can be cut. So you are left with only 2 and 1. So 2 ones are 2. So you got your answer for the statement here, that is x squared plus 1 upon x square minus 2. Alright. So now move to another example. So here's the example number 3rd. Expand 2 upon 3a minus 9 upon 8b whole square. Right? Now what to do? No need to worry. We have to solve this example with the same identity. Right? So on the right hand side, write out the identity, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now from the statement you have to see the values of a and b. So from the statement you will see what is the value of a? 2 upon 3a. Right? So you have to write this a of the statement in the small letters, right? Value of b is equals to 9 upon 8 b. B will be in the small letters. You have to be careful about this, right? So apply this identity over here. A square means 2 upon 3 a square. So you will put the bracket here and write this square. Plus means plus. B square means 9 upon 8 b square. So you will write here. Minus means minus. 2 means 2. AB means a multiply b. So you will write here 2 upon 3a multiply by 9 upon 8b. Alright. Now here square of 2 is what? 4. Square of 3 is what? 9. So you will write here 4 upon 9. Alright. So next is square of a. What is square of a? That is a square. So for this you got 4 upon 9 a square. Plus means plus. 9 square means what? 81. Upon 8 square means 64. B square means b square. So you got the answer here, plus 81 upon 64 b square. Now next again, whenever the given statement is in fraction, so you can cut whenever they are in multiplication. So 2ab. So there we have written ab in the fraction. So we can cut these values now. So here you can see that on 2 table 8 can be cut on 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now here again 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now next you can see here 9. 9 and 3 can be cut on one table. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now further cutting is not possible because 3 and 2 are not coming on one common table. So here you are left with only 1, 1, 3. So 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. So you will write here 3. And in the denominator 1 and 2 is there. 1 multiply 2 mean 2. So a multiply b, that is ab. So you got your answer for the statement, that is 4 upon 9 a square plus 81 upon 64 b square minus 3 upon 2 ab. Alright. So now move to the next example. So here is the example number 4. Expand 1 upon 2 p minus 8 upon q whole square. So students, what I'm doing, I'm just taking here different type of examples with the different variables. So we have to follow the same pattern, we have to follow the same identity for solving this type of questions, right? So here again to the right hand side, you will write and apply a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Alright, from the statement you will see that what is the value of a, that is 1 upon 2p. What is the value of b, that is 8 upon 10q, only 8 upon 10q, right? So apply this identity, a square means 1 upon 2 p square. So you have written here plus means plus. B square means 8 upon 10 q square. So you have written here minus means minus. So 2ab. So 2 will remain 2. AB means a multiply b, 1 upon 2p multiply 8 upon 10 q. Right? So 1 square is what? 1. So if you are not writing here 1, hardly matter. So p square. What is the square of p? That will be p square. And in the denominator, that means down, you will write 2 square. That means 4. So you got p square upon 4. Plus will remain plus. 8 square means 64. 10 square means 100. And q square means q square. So you will write here plus 64 upon 100 q square. Minus will remain minus, right? So 2 and 2 can be cut here. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now further on one table, you can't cut any number. So you will see 8 and 10. So cutting is possible up and down in cross way, right? So you can cut 8 and 10. 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So now further cutting is not possible because 4 and 5 cannot be cut on one common table, right? So here you are left with only 1 ones are 1, 1 into 4, that is 4. 1 fives are 5. So you will write here 4 upon 5, p into q, that is pq. So this is the answer for this given statement. Alright. So students, these were very easy examples, and now I hope all of you have already understood all these type of questions, and now you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your snap homework. But students, before starting your homework, please go through the YouTube links, because all these links are very helpful for you for understanding these type of questions in a better way. Thank you.